Here's your sign to stop paying to get your nails done. Everything I use is from Amazon and linked below. First, we're going to start off by finding the right size nail extension that fits on each finger and prep our natural nails. I like to use this dehydrator and primer to make the set last longer. Optional, but it's a lot easier if you pre-buff the bottom half of the extension before you glue it on. So now we're going to do one layer of the base coat and let that cure for about 30 seconds under the light. Now it's time to glue on the nail extension, so I like to add a little bit of glue onto my natural nail as well as the extension, and then apply pressure for about 15 to 30 seconds per nail. Now we're going to use a nail file to buff off the rest of that shiny layer, and then they're ready to be painted. Now we're going to add one layer of the base coat and let that cure for about 45 seconds, and then you can apply as many layers of whatever gel color you're using. You just want to make sure you're curing in between each layer. So then here I'm using a white design brush, so it's a thinner brush, to add the white tip for the French. And again, we're just going to cure that for about 45 seconds and we're ready for a clear coat. We're going to finish this off with one layer of the top coat, but we're going to cure it 2 times. Ultimately, you're going to end up curing it for about 2 minutes on each hand. And here is the final product. I'm literally obsessed. I've been doing this for years now. You can finish off with an alcohol wipe, but is totally not needed. All right, girlies, this is your sign. Start doing it yourself.